Hi everyone. Good morning everyone. Hi, good morning everyone.
Hi.
Hi, good morning Kiran. So friends, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section, and also please everyone do hit the like button because it will reach more people. Manisha. Yeah, I'm fine, Manisha. How about you? Hi, Girish. Hi, Chaitanya. Good morning. I'm fine, Chaitanya. How about you? Yeah, Anirudh, you can watch in our playlist. There are plenty of Java entry questions are there. You can watch from there. I already uploaded related to Java related interview experience videos. There are many videos I uploaded already who are having 2 years of experience, more than 2 years of experience in Java technologies. Okay. Hi, Rohit. Good afternoon. Yes, Rohit, if you are very good in programming now, if you are very good in programming knowledge, then you have to select SAP ABAP. With SAP ABAP, you have number of opportunities are there in IT industry nowadays. Hi, Vamsi. Good afternoon. Rakesh Kumar, you have to select any MNC company based on their work culture and based on their what project you have assigned. Okay, and every IT company have their pros and cons. Okay, so you have to select based on your designation, what type of designation the company is assigned to you. Okay. Hi, good afternoon, Manikala. Hi, Venkatesh, how are you? I BTech freelancing work. So there are number of good freelancing websites are there. You have to register in the freelancing site like Upskills or freelancing websites or Fiverr. You have to choose any freelancing website. You have to register with them, and you can upload your resume. Then you can get freelancing works, whatever the relevant work experience you have. I use for Salesforce admin or Salesforce developer. What to choose? If we have any programming knowledge and if we have programming experience, then better to choose Salesforce developer. And if you don't have any programming knowledge, then you can choose Salesforce admin job. Okay. Hi Razu, how are you? Yes, React JS. Yes, you can start your career as a React JS developer also. Okay, so nowadays for React JS developer also there are huge job opportunities are there in India IT market. Yes, full stack Python is a very good Python course, Venkatesh. Okay, so you will get number of job opportunity with the full stack Python also, but you have to you must be strong in your specific skills area. Okay. Hi, Sai Kiran. Hexaware is a good company. Sai Kiran, you can join the company, no problem. Hexaware is a good company. Their work culture is also a very friendly culture. No problem at all. You can join it. Yes, Ramcharan. .NET developers also very important in IT industry market because all Microsoft related products are they are handling using .NET technologies only. So therefore, .NET also .NET developer also very popular nowadays. Okay, and in the future also .NET developers is a good one only because all software, all Microsoft related products are all are developing or implementing their projects using .NET developers, .NET technologies only. Yes, so MuleSoft is a good one, but you have minimum programming knowledge. So anyone can do MuleSoft technologies. Okay, but only one thing is required. For MuleSoft also some basic programming knowledge is required, like RESTful web services, protocols. Okay, minimum coding knowledge is required for MuleSoft developer. Yes, Gautami, you can happily start your career as a manual testing. No problem at all. Even though if you have a career gap, then you can start manual testing also. No problem at all. Okay. But you have to try with the experience only. Then only you will get calls from the companies. Hi, Shubhani. Shubhani, AWS course is a very demand course. Then you can you have to start to learn AWS course and you can keep apply for job. Then you will definitely get job because AWS, Azure, these are the both cloud related services technologies are very huge demand in the IT market. So you can try AWS technologies as well. Hi, Chaman. If you have 3 to 4 years gap, then to get as a fresher job, it is little difficult only because you know MNC companies, all MNC companies are trying to hire the candidates who are recently passed out candidates only, like 2021 and 22 passed out candidates only. MNC companies are looking for. Suppose if we have 3 to 4 years gap, now we are looking for, now we are trying to get job as a fresher, then it may be some little difficulties there to get job as a fresher. Suppose if you are 2016 or 17 year can pass out, then it is some difficult only because all MNC companies looking for who are pass out candidates like 21 and 2022 candidates only. Mm, how to handle experience? Okay. Yes, there is a huge demand for business intelligence tool like Power BI. Okay, in the worldwide, the number one business tool nowadays is Power BI only. Okay, so there is no problem. You can start to learn Power BI. Okay, and they if you have good work skills, then companies ready to pay as much as package as well. Like for 4 years of experience Power BI developer also, the companies will try to pay uh, 10 to 12 lakhs package. Suppose if you are 3 years of experience candidate, then the companies are used to pay 8 to 10 lakhs. It's based on the company and the location. So Power BI has more demand nowadays, guys. So some people may say that Power BI, for Power BI developer, they are not receiving calls. That means you are not mentioning or specifying some keywords like Power BI or business intelligence tool or data analyst tool. You have to mention these keywords in your resume, because recruiter used to search based on the keywords only to shortlist the profiles. So you have to mention for Power BI developer profile like Power BI data analysis and DAX, DAX, okay, and also at the same time SQL server. Okay, so nowadays SQL concepts also very important to crack the interview, to crack the Power BI interviews, not only Power BI related topics. Okay, so Power BI is the most demand Microsoft business intelligence tool. Okay, so if anyone have any career gap also, you can happily choose this course and you can learn this course and keep apply for the jobs. But many candidates are used to ask me whether for Power BI to get job as a fresher or not. To get job as a fresher, it may be some little bit difficult only. So you have to try with experience only. Minimum 2 years of experience is required to get the Power BI jobs. See guys, see friends, if any MNC company is asking 1 year or 2 years bond, then you can join, no problem at all. First you have to read all the terms and conditions, restrictions as well before committing any company. Hi Chaman Oza. Yes, Selenium with Java combination also a very huge demand is there, but you have to learn properly. So before learning Selenium, you must be strong in Java concepts. Then only there are chances are there to get job very soon. So as of now, software testing, automation testing is a very huge demand. For RPA, Blue Prism, there are some less demand only, but it takes some time. So in the future, there may be huge job opportunities also will going to open for RPA Blue Prism, but it still takes some time. Okay, so number of projects are they are asking for the skill set like a Selenium with Java only for to do automation testing, to do the any automation testing the any applications. See guys, I will tell you one thing. As a fresher, if you learn any one programming language, enough guys. Only one programming language and some basic knowledge of database concepts and SQL concepts. Those are enough. It's not required to learn all advanced concepts also, because after hiring the MNC companies, they will give some designation based on your performance only, based on their projects only. Okay, you might be complete your training or .NET or Python or Java full stack or whatever it may be. So after hiring the any freshers, okay, so they will based on your performance, they will give the designation, they will give the roles. For Microsoft SQL Server DBA, its coding is not required. Okay, it's all about you have to learn queries. You must be know SQL queries. If you are very strong in SQL queries, then you can easily get the DBA jobs, database administrator jobs. It's not required any coding like Python, Java, or whatever it may be. Okay. Aditya Pandey, how to start as a manual tester? So it's a very easy. If you are very passionate towards to learn any course, first to understand the what are the prerequisites are there, what type of roles and responsibilities I have to go to, and you have to think all these things. Okay, before taking any IT course, first understand the job requirement in the IT industry. What type of suppose if you are suppose if you are selecting Java course, then where we are using Java and why you are using Java in the market in the software field. You have to know all these things and what are the prerequisites to learn Java programming language, whether I am suitable for this Java profile or not. You have to consider all these things. Then don't choose the IT course without knowing any details. Okay, many candidates, many students, they are picking the IT course without knowing their background details of the technologies. First, understand the technology, where we are using the technology, what type of projects we are going to develop by using the technology. You have to think all these things. Okay, and what are the prerequisites required to select the course. Okay, whether can I handle these type of projects or not. You have to think all those things before selecting any IT course. So I have already told you many times, for freshers to get job, anyone programming knowledge, basic programming, basic concepts is required. That's it. It's not required in-depth knowledge also. If you have any basic programming knowledge and some database concepts like SQL concepts, that's enough. And also, what are the latest technologies are there, like cloud computing and blockchain related technologies. You have to know some definitions and where we are using some artificial intelligence concept. What is artificial intelligence? Where we are using this concept? What is a machine learning? And where we are using this concept? You have to know all these things. Okay, so if you know some latest technology information and one programming knowledge, then you can easily crack the freshers interviews. You don't need to learn all those other courses as well. Suppose if you have a gap is there, then you have to learn specific technology in depth knowledge. Suppose if you are recent 21 and 22 candidate, then only one programming. Just make and also improve problem solving skills and programming logic along with the programming knowledge and SQL concepts. That's enough, guys. If you are attending any product based companies like Amazon, Google, okay, Microsoft, Facebook, these type of companies, you have to prepare data structures and algorithms also along with any one programming language. Okay. See friends, scope of manual versus automation. So manual testings, there are no huge opportunities are there. For automation testing, there are huge demand is there, friends. Okay. So, but as a automation tester also, manual testing concepts awareness is mandatory. Without knowing manual testing concepts, so you may not be expert. You may not be become expert in automation testing. So therefore, manual testing concepts also mandatory if you want better career growth as a automation test engineer. So RPA UI path, Manish Reddy. So RPA UI path, okay, there are jobs as there, but there are not that much huge jobs not available for RPA UI path. Some projects only, minimum projects are coming to the software companies related to RPA UI path. Okay, so UI path also very good good scope is there, but as of now there is no not that much huge scope is there for RPIO path. So it takes some time to get job opportunities. Very huge job opportunities are there. It takes some time. Siri. DevOps or Power BI, which is better to learn for career gap? So both are high demand and huge demand in IT market, Power BI as well as DevOps. Even though if you have career gap, then it is one of the best option to learn Power BI or DevOps. So if you have strong technical knowledge like programming or scripting knowledge, then you can choose DevOps only. Okay, compared to Power BI. Testing or developer. See, friends, if you are very good in programming knowledge or technical knowledge, okay, then you can happily choose developer only because software developer position are evergreen. Okay, so testings are like if you have average programming skills, average knowledge, then testing is the best option. Namrata, so better to tell him your son learn any programming language like Python. Python is one of the most demand programming language in the world. Okay, so you can say him learn Python and database skills like SQL. Yes, Bhaskar, Java full stack developer has a very bright future is there. So in the future also, all MNC companies used to hire who are having multiple skill set candidate, not only specific skill set, who are having multiple skill set candidates. Definitely, those candidates have bright future because every company wants resource who knows multiple skills candidates like front end technologies, back end technologies, server side, okay, and the database technologies. So who knows multiple skill set candidate, companies will prefer to hire those candidates only. Maybe in the next 5 years, maybe there are some only companies used to hire who are having multiple skill set candidates only, not specific skill set candidates. Like full stack developers only have huge openings in the future, next 5 to 6 years. So can you share front end? So Balaji, front-end technology list means, so you must be, first of all, you have to learn some basic concepts of HTML and CSS, and then JavaScript. You must be strong in JavaScript area. Okay, and then you have to learn any one front-end framework Angular and React JS library. Anyone is a best option. Okay, and also you have to know some database technologies as well. I have already uploaded one video also how to become a front-end developer. So if you still have any doubts, you just go through playlist and you can watch it. Sushma, if you learn Power BI, then better to learn SQL also. So because nowadays SQL concepts also very important to crack the interview as well as to survive as a Power BI developer. And if you want better career growth as a Power BI developer in the future, then you have to upgrade your skills by learning database technology as well. Then you will have better future. Yes, for non-IT students, not only testing. Okay, there are many job opportunities are there. IT job opportunities. You can choose based on your interest. Suresh, if you are very interested for development side, software developers always is a very good career growth is there for software developers. So you can choose a software developer position only. Okay, and it is also based on your interest. Suppose if you are very good in programming and you are very good in technical, then you are very fashion towards developing the web application, then you can choose software developer only, Suresh. Okay. Yes, .NET developer positions are also very good scope is there, but only those .NET technologies are specific to Microsoft related projects, friends. Okay, so any project developing under the Microsoft project, then they definitely use to technologies Microsoft .NET technologies only for every Microsoft related projects. Okay, so don't worry, friends. I used to take the live sessions for every Saturday at 9 o'clock. Okay, not every Saturday. It's alternative Saturdays. So everyone, please hit the like button. Then it will approach. It will reach more people. MSBA is not. It's not required. It's not a mandatory to know to learn Power BI. Okay, if you know MSBA knowledge, then it is good to have only. See, friends, if you have any backlogs for freshers, all MNC companies give one opportunity. Like if you have one backlog, then you can attend the interviews as a fresher also. But before joining to the MNC company, you have to pass. You have to clear the your backlog also. Uh, companies then only companies will hire you. Okay. See, friends, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section also. I already created Telegram group also. So I will use to specify Telegram group link in the video description. And also, we are maintaining Instagram also. If you have any doubts, just post your comment in the Instagram also. Just go through Instagram and just type byluckysir without space. Then you can find me in the Instagram also. Okay. So I used to reply for valuable and reasonable doubts. Okay. Umesh, if you have long career gap, what you do? He's saying that, okay, so in case if you have long career gap, like more than 7 years or 8 years career gap, then you have to learn any latest technology with certification. So if you done any latest IT course like cloud computing or AWS or anyone, then there is a better chance are there. You can happily, yeah, you can happily get the job as well. Hi, Abhinav. Python DSA, yes, it's a good option, Abhinav. Because Python DSA has more job opportunities are there. So after, if you want become any machine learning engineer or data scientist engineer, so Python is the base. Python is the foundation to learn anything. Okay, so if you are perfect in Python DCA, then your future must be very good career growth is there. No doubt in that. I mean, now you can happily start your career by learning Python DSA. It has good option. It has good scope is there. Okay. Prakash is saying only Python we get jobs, sir. Oh, with only Python you may not get job. The reason is you have to learn. If suppose if you want to become a Python web developer, then you have to learn like any framework related to Python, like Django, Flask, or anyone. If you want to become a Python web developer, suppose if you want to become any data scientist or machine learning engineer or artificial engineer, then you have to learn uh, along with Python. You have to learn some related specific technologies also. Only with Python, you may not get job. Okay, you have to learn associated skill set as well. Friends, please hit the like button. It will reach more people. Sushma, so if you are very fashion, if you do some commitment, then you can switch from Power BI to cloud computing also. Companies will accept, no problem. Hi Srikant, I don't know any language. Please tell me first to learn and very okay. So suppose if you are starting your IT career, you want to learn any programming language, then you can start to learn with Python or Java programming language. Suppose if you are from non-IT, then you have to start with Python. Suppose if you are computer science background, then you can start with the Java programming language. Hi Vardhan, what are the skills to learn after Angular? Suppose if you want to become an Angular developer, then first you have to do some mini projects by your own hands only, and you have to, and also you have to learn some GitHub, some basic skill set also required to become an Angular developer, and also one database skill set if it is required. How much salary you can expect as a fresher Salesforce developer? It completely, Manoj, it's completely depends on the company. Some companies will ready to pay like 3 to 4 lakhs, and some companies will ready to pay 5 to 6 lakhs as well, even 7 lakhs also. Hi, Abhinav, thank you very much. You paid me 100 rupees. Thank you very much. For SD, Abhinav, your doubt is like for SDE profile, should I implement DSA in Python or C++ people? For placement point of view, you should do DSA in C++, not in Python. Yes, if you want to better career growth, if you want to build your, if you want to improve your logical building, then C++ is recommended, Abhinav, because Python has a lot of built-in features are there. You may not, you may not be, you may not build a strong profile. Okay, so if you use C++, then with C++ only, you can improve your logical building and you can improve your programming logic as well. So therefore, everyone used to prefer who are preparing DSA concept with C++ only. With Python, you may not be you may not have that much opportunity to write number of coding lines. But with C++, you can write number of lines and you can improve your logic as well. Okay, so I highly recommend you, if you want to implement DSA, data structures and algorithms, then C++ is the best option in the place of Python. I hope I now you cleared your doubt. Abhinav, please comment if you cleared your doubt. Friends, please hit the like button. Who are joining, please hit the like button. It will reach more people. So if you hit the like button, it will reach more people. See friends, I may not give for there are number of queries are coming, so I may not give for answer for all the questions. Okay, so therefore, if you have any doubts, please comment in the Instagram or Telegram group, or even you can follow me in the LinkedIn also. Okay, so for every query, I may not give. Sorry for that. For every questions, I may not give answer. Okay, so I will specify my Instagram, Telegram, and LinkedIn links in the video description. If you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Okay, or you can ping me in the LinkedIn, Instagram, or Telegram group. Okay, I definitely reply to all your doubts in the Telegram or Instagram or LinkedIn. Okay. Hi Raghav. If you are doing projects, robotic projects using RPA, that is a good scope is there. You will have better future is there. You can go ahead. No problem at all. Power BI developer, 4 years experience. How much salary can expect? You can expect up to, it's a difference on the company, but you can expect up to 11 to 12 lakhs or 14 or 15 also. If some companies will give, if you given good performance in the interview, then they will pay up to 16 also for 4 years of experience candidate. But average is 11 to 12 lakhs. Okay, friends, we'll meet in another session. Okay, in the third Saturday. In the third Saturday at 9 o'clock, we'll meet again. Okay. So if you still have any doubts, I will specify my Instagram and Telegram and LinkedIn links in the video description. Please comment your doubts there. Then definitely I will reply to your doubts. Okay. And we'll meet next session like third Saturday. Third Saturday at 9 o'clock. So please keep support us. I definitely upload more and more useful content videos. Okay. Thank you very much.